Oh, musky, dude. Musky, dude. Musky. Okay, I'm going.
Yep. The bite is just turning on, bro. Like,
really, this is a good time?
This is actually not even ready. Like, see how that big one came up and hit under there?
Yeah.
They'll eventually start coming up. There's a bunch of like 2-3 pounders just hanging in.
Wow.
Alright, you see this right here, bro? I want you to cast this way. Boom.
Okay, hang on.
Right along that wall right there. It's shallow, but just keep bouncing it.
Yeah.
Something big will pick it
Right
up.
along the shore?
Whatever, which this whole stretch right here, all the way inside or whatever, you can do it.
Okay.
Go ahead. Try to get through your touch.
Ooh. Hey, let me go on this.
See how somebody's there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just cast right along the wall?
Yeah, whatever, just cast it to the bridge. Just cast it all the way in there. If I'm right, you're in there.
Do you ever just let it sink or drift all the way down?
Yeah, you can let it drift all the way. That's what we do with the popper. We just let it drift and just keep popping it. Keep popping it. Eventually something will come pick it up.
Look at all those ducks right there. Let me try going. Yeah, you go here now. Put the popper on.
Yeah. I only got 7-pound test. That's the thing.
That's all right. Just set the drag low.
Yeah.
I would say don't set the hook so hard, but that's impossible for you. Are there big muskie that chill right here?
Yeah, they got some big ones. When I say big, if this river is like probably like 30-something inches, they got some muskies.
That would be sweet to catch a muskie right here.
We caught some.
What?
We caught some here.
Yeah?
Yeah, one poppers. Maybe this thing's too fast. The other thing's a little better. Let's go.
Hang on, wait a second. Okay. Ugh.
That one?
No. Thought I did.
I don't think they want poppers today.
What happened to it?
What?
Oh, there it is. I couldn't find it. I couldn't see it.
I don't think they want poppers yet. Walk in. Next thing you look, oh my gosh, you know? Oh, no. No, I'm saying that's what we do. We're just playing around like this. Because below all that right there, bro, they eat all that stuff. All that worm.
Yeah.
They pick all that stuff up, bro.
You just walk it down like this?
Walk it down. You'll catch it. Cast it all the way
This is like trolling in the river.
pretty much, yeah. Do this all the time. You know you get one. They hit it hard. You got one?
Yep. Oh, no. Thought it was one. You're like, really? I thought that was a. Oh, musky, dude. Musky, dude. Musky. I know, I got it. Musky, bro. Musky. Musky, dude. How are we gonna land this thing, dude? It's a musky. It's a musky, bro. It's huge. You know, it's in there good. It's in there good. Musky, bro.
You never believe me, bro.
Oh, dude, musky. How are we gonna land this thing, bro?
I told you, that's it.
How are we gonna land it?
Just work it.
Dude, where do we walk this thing to?
Nowhere. There's nothing you can do.
There's nothing we can do?
No. Well, you can, but.
Dude, it's huge. Look how huge that thing is. Are you kidding me? Dude.
Tom is crazy.
Dude, dude, how we gonna land it, bro?
Just keep going. I don't know, bro.
Do we just keep walking?
Yeah, just keep going.
Like where? Where can I get down?
Huge.
Where can I get down, dude?
Alright, so Tom does not believe me that there are some giant muskies in this shallow river. 37-inch muskie.
Dude, how are we gonna get this thing off? It's going back. It's going back. It's going back. It's going back. Dude, it's going back. Dude, look at this thing. Look at. Show him. Show him. Show him, bro.
I don't want to drop your phone.
How many people are watching?
I don't know yet. Hold on. There's a couple.
How many? How many, dude?
Hold on, just keep running.
Dude, what am I supposed to do, dude? What am I supposed to do, bro?
We're 20 feet above the river right here. We can't pick up this muskie.
How many people are watching? It says top left.
Top left, 19.
19. Bro, show the muskie.
Hold on. Try to surface him.
I can't. Oh my gosh, he's running. He's running.
Just keep going.
He's running.
That's it, bro. Just fight till he's tired. You know what? We could go all the way over there.
Should we go all the way over there?
Dude, we're gonna have to.
Yeah.
Land this monster.
Yeah, I do.
Keep tension on it.
All right. He's running along the wall right now.
Yep. So we're gonna go all the way across to that bridge over there. We're gonna find a way to land this guy. Just keep going, bro. Yeah?
Okay.
Just keep tension on him.
I will. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm shaking right now.
Use our GoPro, bro.
Dude, I don't know how we're gonna land this thing.
Okay, we'll land him. We'll go across. There's a little ditch over there that you get into.
Okay.
This thing is humongous, you guys. Go over there where...
Oh, over there, along the bridge. Oh. Stop. Oh. Dude, the current's picking up, dude. It's getting harder.
Yep, it's gonna be hard. So make sure you drag it straight and you're good. I want to see Tom do this.
Dude.
Oh, you guys. Big musky, yo. Check that out. He's hooked. He's not going nowhere. Stainless steel hook, bro.
Bro, how am I gonna hold this? How am I gonna get this pole past?
Yeah, it's your problem. Just bring him closer, please. Bring him closer. Okay. Don't set your brake to loose. Go. Get it. Hurry.
All right.
Bro. Giant musky, bro.
Dude, I'm shaking so hard right now.
This guy is dragging like a 30-inch musky.
Oh my gosh.
Small, but 20 feet in the air. Feel about the river.
Oh. Stop. I don't like the head shakes, bro. This is insane.
Dude said just jump in already.
Yeah. Jump in 30 feet.
I'll show you. Look.
Oh, shoot.
This is like 20 feet in the air. Look. It's pretty high up. See that bridge there? Maybe even higher. It might be even 30. Right?
Oh, shoot. I'm around that thing.
Oh, dude. He's caught. No, don't shake it, Joel. Just pull it. You got, yeah, there.
Okay.
Don't shake it. Just keep going. Keep dragging.
Oh.
Check it out, you guys.
I gotta let out some more line.
It's pretty great for this beach behind the river. Dude, that thing is nice, bro.
It is.
Look at that, you guys. Boom! It's 30-incher right there.
And it's highly alive right now.
You can land that big fish. It's pretty high, you guys. You would, you guys. It's pretty high up. Look. So that's the little mini.
I don't want to pull it up either and break its jaw.
Yeah, you're good.
This thing nothing is wrong with it at all. We didn't do anything wrong with it.
It's good. Just tie it off. It's good. Just keep going, bro. Just keep going. This is so epic, you guys. Just keep going, bro. Way too funny. Come.
Oh, shoot.
Keep going. Right, just pull him. Yeah, look how high we are, guys.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Just keep going, you're good. Don't worry about it. Just keep going.
Wait, where's that divider at?
Just keep going.
Oh, he's going down.
Don't worry. He'll come back out. Dude, he went in. Just horse plant.
Okay, there he goes.
Don't let him go. Look, he's calling. No!
Turn. Yeah, decline.
I declined. Nice, look, he's calling. Just keep going, bro. Just keep going. Don't worry. Just keep going. You're gonna have to get in the water. You got 40 people watching, you guys.
Oh my gosh.
You guys, this is small hook. Don't say, right here. This guy did not believe me that I told him there's some pretty big muskies in here.
All right, he's up on shore right now.
Go. Yeah, just get the fish, guys. Get the lake. This thing's pretty good. All right, we're done. Hurry up. We gotta get in the water, bro. He's in, you guys. Gil, look how big that thing is. You're gonna have to get in the water, dog. Hold on, let me grab my rod.
Here, hold this. Yeah. Easy.
Wait. Check it out, you guys. calm and get in the water. Dude, grab him.
Oh!
Don't break it, bro.
I know I won't.
Kill him. Take your hand.
Oh! He almost bit me.
Watch out, bro. Don't hold that line, bro. Don't use 2 hands. Here.
Oh!
I got this. Just bring him to short.
I'm trying.
Grab his neck. Don't kill him. Pin him, yeah. Dude, this thing's huge. He's wrestling with the musky right now.
Oh!
Someone teach Tom how to kill a musky, man.
Whoa. Dude, there's so much power to this thing.
There are a lot of muscles.
Oh! 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 Oh, we got him. All right, we'll take a picture. We gotta take a picture and come back.
All right,
Oh, okay.
that is
All right.
30 inch right there, you guys.
All right.
Off of a tube, look. Off of a tube I gave him.
Oh my gosh. I'm shaking, dude. Okay. All right.
This is a pussy. Look at that.
Let's go.
Off of a finesse tube.
Bro. All right, end live. We're gonna take a picture.
Right, see you guys in a little bit.
So we literally just dragged this thing from like 200 yards out. And I'm exhausted. And we got a picture of him. I can't believe we landed him.
This thing is at least 30-something inch.
We did it, bro.
Good job,
Look at
dude.
this thing.
That's what I'm talking about. This guy got down and dirty, yo. Get back in the water. Make sure it's a good release. You get back in the water, bro. That was so worth it. That is such a nice muskie. Beautiful fish, you guys. Beautiful fish. Yep.
Got that dirt off of him. Oh my gosh.
Hold her up one more time. Yeah, right here. She's good, man. She's good. Woo! That is awesome, dude. What a catch.
I can't believe it, dude. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Dude, you said it, man. I can't believe it, bro.
I told you, bro. Off of a tube, off of a smallmouth bait. This guy hammers it. All on video, too. Can't do it. My GoPro's too. Here, let me get a picture of my phone. Ready? Hold it up.
Oh, he's gonna go.
There you go. You're good. I got it.
There he goes.
There he goes.
Dude.
That's a good video right there. That was epic. Let's go find another one. That was epic, dude.
Alright, so as you guys just saw, that was unreal. I am just so dirty right now. Like, my whole body is just like all bloody and dirty and just disgusting. Here you go, David. Come on, take a seat, buddy.
I'm not tall enough, man.
There you go. Man, David got me on some awesome fish, and to close it out for the day, got on that awesome muskie. Oh man, it was just exhausting carrying it down that wall like that and finally landing it. It's a lot harder than it looks. I'm not gonna lie, I'm extremely exhausted, but man, it was a lot of fun catching some crazy fish. I've never really done this before, and it was a really good experience. I'm really thankful. Thank you, David. Appreciate it. You're the man. We're definitely gonna be fishing some more together, and we're gonna get on the boat again for sure. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for sure. There will be tons more. Also, if you are a Hooked and Tagged team member or interested in becoming a team member, let me know, and you know, we can go fishing sometime, and you know, I'll document it, and even hunting as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate it, and catch you guys later. See ya.